The Indira Gandhi v. Raj Narain case of 1975 is a landmark moment in Indian constitutional law, and it's essential to understand its intricacies. This case arose from the political turmoil of the early 1970s, where Indira Gandhi, the then Prime Minister of India, faced allegations of electoral malpractice. Raj Narain, her opponent in the 1971 general elections, challenged her victory, claiming that she had violated electoral laws. The facts of the case are quite compelling. Raj Narain accused Gandhi of using government machinery to influence the election in her favor. He argued that she had engaged in corrupt practices, including the misuse of official resources and the manipulation of the electoral process. The case was brought before the Allahabad High Court, which ultimately ruled in favor of Narain, declaring Gandhi's election void. This decision was monumental. It not only questioned the integrity of the Prime Minister, but also raised significant concerns about the electoral process in India. The legal issues at play were complex. The High Court's ruling hinged on the interpretation of the Representation of the People Act, which governs elections in India. The court found that Gandhi had indeed committed electoral offenses, and this ruling sent shockwaves through the political landscape. However, the case didn't end there. Indira Gandhi appealed the decision to the Supreme Court of India, which led to a series of legal battles that would shape the future of Indian democracy. The Supreme Court's decision was a pivotal moment. While it upheld the High Court's finding of electoral malpractice, it also suspended the verdict for a period, allowing Gandhi to remain in power while the case was under review. This suspension sparked widespread protests and political unrest, highlighting the tensions between the judiciary and the executive branch of government. The importance of this case cannot be overstated. It underscored the principle of accountability in governance and reinforced the idea that no one, not even the Prime Minister, is above the law. The case also raised critical questions about the independence of the judiciary in India, especially in the face of political pressure. It set a precedent for future electoral disputes and established a framework for addressing corruption in politics. In the aftermath of the case, the Indian government declared a state of emergency in 1975, which lasted for 21 months. This period was marked by significant political repression and the curtailment of civil liberties, further complicating the legacy of the case. Ultimately, the Indira Gandhi v. Raj Narain case serves as a reminder of the delicate balance between power and accountability in a democracy. It highlights the role of the judiciary in safeguarding democratic principles and ensuring that electoral integrity is upheld. The case remains a cornerstone of constitutional law in India, illustrating the ongoing struggle for justice and the rule of law in a complex political landscape.